Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel sheet editable by multiple users. First, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the Review tab. Look for the Share Workbook option, though modern Excel often handles this automatically with cloud saving. Saving your file to a shared network drive or a cloud service like OneDrive is the crucial first step for collaboration. For the best experience, upload your Excel file to a cloud service such as OneDrive or SharePoint. Once uploaded, you can easily share the file with others, granting them editing permissions. This enables real-time co-authoring, meaning multiple people can work on the same spreadsheet at the same time without creating separate copies. While cloud co-authoring is preferred, an older Share Workbook Legacy feature still exists. You can find it by customizing your quick access toolbar. This method allows sharing on a network drive but comes with significant limitations, including restricted feature use and manual conflict resolution. It's generally less efficient than cloud-based solutions. To maximize your collaborative efforts, consider using Excel for the web, which offers a seamless co-authoring experience. Always communicate with your team about changes you are making to avoid confusion or overwriting work. Remember to save your work frequently, especially when collaborating, to ensure all updates are captured and backed up.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.